Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will learn to connect the keyboard to an MSI monitor. So here's a guide for your USB port, KVM setup, and compatibility. If your MSI monitor has some USB ports, you can follow the below steps. Firstly, turn on your computer and monitor. Connect the monitor to your PC using the USB upstream cable, usually USB-B to USB-A or USB-C, depending on the model. This enables the monitor's USB ports. Plug your USB keyboard into one of the monitor's USB ports. Wait for a few seconds for your computer to detect the keyboard. If your monitor does not have USB ports, you cannot connect the keyboard directly to the monitor. Instead, you need to plug the keyboard into a USB port on your computer or laptop. For a wireless keyboard, connect its USB receiver to your computer or pair it via Bluetooth if it supports. If you are connecting a game console, most MSI monitors do not process keyboard input themselves. Connect the keyboard directly to the console or through a supported USB hub, not to the monitor. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.